To purchase a product from Yupoo using PandaBuy, start by copying the link of the item you want to buy from the Yupoo website. Then, paste this link into the designated box on the main page of PandaBuy and click on Search. On the next page, fill out the product information, including the name, specifications, such as color and size. Next, scroll down and locate the unit price on the Yupoo website. After filling out the necessary information, ensure the Agreed box is checked on PandaBuy, and then click on Buy Now. You will be prompted to check another box stating, I have read and agreed. After which you should click on Submit Order. On the following page, you will be required to pay for your order, and you can choose from various payment options, including your PandaBuy balance, PayPal, credit or debit cards, or Union Pay. Once you have selected your preferred payment method, click on Confirm Payment. After completing this step, the product will be sent from Yupoo to the PandaBuy warehouse without any issues.